Plymouth 7 on Walkersville 7. The long special. And we know what kind of horn it has. The horn of a GG1 electric. Plymouth 7 now gets closer. Our position. Brick Valley. Getting a little louder. Kings. As he's crossing the bridge. Just across the creek. Got 4 of the 5 houses on the next line. Really 7 cars on. Crossing arm will head there. We'll be coming down in a second. This is old. As the 7 approaches it. There's GG1 on to it. Here comes 7128. Last but not least is Southampton. And there's 923 to caboose. In the rear, the long consist. Currently, the big marker light's going on 923. But when he continues north again, we'll see an LED headlight coming this way. That's more like it. As the 7 and the coaches continue. One of a GG1 electric.